Good morning friends, welcome to Rapid General Awareness. Today we are going to see the current affairs for 15th of May. So let's begin. Which bank has approved $1 billion emergency assistance program loan to India to fight against COVID-19? So this has been approved by New Development Bank. New Development Bank is basically for the development of BRICS nation, that is Brazil, Russia, India, China and South Africa. President of New Development Bank is K.V. Kamath, who is appointed as the new Director General of Archaeological Survey of India. So she is an IAS officer, V. Vidyavati, and headquarter of Archaeological Survey of India is in New Delhi. Which organization released a special postal cover dedicated to migrant workers? So this postal cover has been released by Indian Post. Which forces of India will sell only indigenous products in their canteens from 1st of June? So this step has been taken by Central Armed Police Force. This step is to make India self-reliant by using local products. Which of the following state recorded highest number of under 5, that is U5 deaths in 2017? So it is Uttar Pradesh. Which zone of railways has partnered with Postal Department for door delivery and pickup of parcel during lockdown? So it is Southern Zone. And who is Union Minister for Railways? He is Piyush Goyal. Government has recently changed definition of MSME. According to it, what should be the turnover for small enterprises? This we have already discussed in yesterday's special video for Atmanirbhar Bharat and special economic package. So the answer is up to rupees 50 crore. Here we are going to see all the investment and turnover at a glance. So this is really important for your examination point of view. So for micro enterprises, small enterprises and medium enterprises, investment is up to 1 crore, 10 crore and 20 crore. And turnover is up to 5 crore, 50 crore and 100 crore. Please go through it. It is really important. Which app has been made mandatory to passengers by Indian Railways? So it is Arogya Setu app. So whoever is traveling through Indian Railways, he has to download the Arogya Setu app. What is the rank of India on World Economic Forum's Global Energy Transition Index? So, India has ranked 74th. This index is topped by Sweden, and Switzerland and Finland are on 2nd and 3rd position respectively. Which song has been unveiled by Indian Council for Cultural Relations to fight COVID-19? So, Corona Go, is it this song? No, it is not that song. It is United We Fight. Okay. So Indian Council for Cultural Relations has unveiled United We Fight song. Which Indian boxer has been re-inducted into disciplinary panel of National Anti-Doping Agency? So he is Akhil Kumar. Okay. Which country's Centers for Disease Control and Prevention has committed $3.6 million to India? So this has been done by USA. Which bracelet has been developed by Italy as the measures for safeguarding against coronavirus? So it is I Feel You. Which state or union territory have framed a plan to implement the Jal Jeevan Mission to provide tap connections to every rural household by 2022? So this has been done by Jammu and Kashmir and Haryana. So the answer is both 1 and 2. It is basically to provide tapped water to every household. Uttarakhand Chief Minister has launched which portal to help unemployed youths to get job opportunity? So the name of the portal is HOPE, which stands for Helping Out People Everywhere, and Chief Minister of Uttarakhand is Trivendra Singh Rawat, and Governor is Baby Rani Maurya. Which IIT, along with the TVS Group Sundaram Medical Foundation, has developed Sundaram Ventago low-cost automated respiratory assist device? So, this has been done by IIT Madras. That's it for today. Friends, please do like our video, share with your friends and subscribe our channel, and also follow us on our Instagram channel, Rapid General Awareness. Thank you. Have a nice day.